Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. Today is Saturday, September 13th, just after 12 o'clock. This week was a long week for everybody. I think it's safe to say, not just here in the States, but maybe around the world. One of the downsides, upsides, I'm not really sure, about doing what we do day in and day out in the markets is that we're probably more aware of our surroundings about what is going on in the world. And sometimes that's a good thing, and sometimes it isn't. This past week in the markets was relatively flat to up. We are over the highs, beyond resistance, and everybody is thinking new bull market. Let's go through our paces with Swing Machine Plus and take a look. Set at a daily level, we see the VIX in a short mode. It's been short for 85 days. 85 days. Going all the way back to May 13th. Almost in panic sell, but not quite. So it means that even though the VIX is very low and been trending low for 85 days, it could go lower. The markets could become even more complacent. But when we look at the ES, which is matching the VIX on a daily level, it also went long 89 days ago, 4 days in advance, back on May 7th. A hell of a run. It's delivered 14.36% between the entry price and where it closed on Friday. One mini contract would have produced 44,200. A micro, 4,400. 10 minis, $442,000. And of course, folks, as you know, they're trading thousands of these things. The trend is solidly up, but where is it? On the fear in greed meter, it's pushing 90, very close to being in euphoria. It could go into euphoria. And just because it gets into euphoria doesn't mean that it will automatically sell off. But statistically, from our probabilities, what we know is that if it does in fact get into euphoria on a daily basis, the probability is that it won't stay there very long, especially with the VIX being where it is. I don't know what the catalyst will be. It may not have a catalyst, but the probability is that it will come in. It will begin to sell off and the VIX will begin to rise. Now, it doesn't mean that it's going to be a crash. No, we'll never know that. It doesn't mean that it's going to be just a pullback. It could become something more. The NASDAQ is in the same position. It's produced $74,000 over 92 days. Also very close to euphoria. The Dow, similar story. The Russell, 86 days with more room to go. Look at gold, 14 days, 26 grand in 2 weeks. Silver, trading at 42.68, 79 days, nearly 42,000, with plenty of room to go before that statistical likelihood that we get a pullback. We're not obligated to go higher, we're not obligated to go lower. This is in the realm of probabilities. Oil, short for 6 days, underwater a little bit. And then, of course, a Bitcoin trying to get long. I am Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. I hope you're getting it done with whatever it is you're doing. If not, you might want to stop, look, think, look around. Visit our website, StockMarketCaddy.com. And if you think we can help you, feel free to give us a shout. We'd love to chat with you about what you've been doing in the markets, what you hope to achieve, to see if we might be able to help you. We have something that we call the Q School, where we spend 3+ weeks with you, depending on your schedule. And what we're trying to do there is to peel the envelope or the onion back so that you can get to see and ideally work with many of our tools so that you can make a decision whether or not this algorithmic style of trading is for you. You will learn a lot. And in the end, you'll make the best decision for you and your family. And if that happens to be becoming an annual member to Stock Market Academy, we will be thrilled. If it isn't, you'll get a great education, and we're certainly going to wish you the best, and you can always know that you're welcome back. That's our message to everybody. It isn't for everyone. Need to be a rare bird. Need to be something that you really want to do, especially during periods of very low volatility. The payouts can be stingy, and you must have acquired the skill set to know that so that you can be patient and disciplined, because the volatility will come back. And when it does, there'll be a lot of money being transferred from weak hands to strong hands, and there'll be a lot of different things that are working. And hopefully at that time, you will have honed your craft to do what? Extract money from the markets, from the money flow, minimizing the emotions of fear and greed while maximizing your capital and your time. Feel free to call me any day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. at 813-758-8263. We wish everyone the best, and God bless, Charlie.